Okay, there's nothing more painful than this right here. I took this off, brand new sheet, and I stuck it right there. Thought it would feel okay, but listen to that. Can you hear that? Ah, that's my hair ripping off. What is wrong with me? Ow! 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 Maddie, you comfy? Look a little too comfy there. Here's one leg. She's on that. Here's the other leg. Let's see how creepy my room looks. Not too bad. Not too bad. Hand. Foot. I try and get comfortable, then she moves so she can have her leg on me. I just realized I said leg, I meant head. On my leg. 2 days in a row, no vlog, sorry. I'm just kidding, you're awesome if you stayed after that part and noticed that there's more to it. That's not the end. That moment when there's nothing else to open your food with, so you have to use a really dull steak knife. Like this steak knife is so dull. It's barely cutting the plastic, hold on. Got it. Well guys, sorry, I kind of forgot to vlog for the rest of the day, but I pretty much just streamed on Twitch, twitch.tv/TheOneAttempter, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you tomorrow.